It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Sunday, the 8th of November. I'm Michael Groff. Unsettled weather across the state today and into tomorrow as a weather system moves on through. Much cooler temperatures in here as well. That's the good news. We'll start to dry out and gradually warm up as we go through the week. And by next weekend, temperatures pretty close to seasonal averages. Let's dive in and talk about it. First, yesterday, 81 degrees was the high, but that occurred at 2:11 a.m. The low temperature of 59, that happened at 11:37 p.m. We also picked up a trace of rain officially at Sky Harbor Airport. Speaking of, outside now here at 11:25 a.m., partly cloudy sky out there, sitting at 62 degrees right now. Dew points at 35, relative humidity 36%. The winds are light and the barometer is steady. Temperatures around the area right now, 49, the cool spot up there on Thompson Peak. Otherwise, we're in the mid-50s to low 60s across the metro, and these temperatures aren't going to get a whole lot warmer through the rest of the day. We might tack on just a few more degrees, but that's about it. The upper air look across the country, that wave that came through here yesterday, that's now up over Montana. We've got another one back over the Great Basin, preparing to dive southeastward across the state later this afternoon and tonight, and that should bring a second round of precipitation to at least a fair portion of the state. Here's the watch warning map. We've got winter weather advisories across northern and eastern Arizona, where they could see a few inches of snow. Elsewhere, some wind advisories through the west. Look at those blizzard warnings up around Cut Bank, Great Falls, and Lewiston, Montana. Winter storm warnings elsewhere, and those spill out into the Plains states with a number of wind advisories through the plains as well. And across South Florida, look at that. Hurricane warnings now for the Keys. Tropical storm warnings for a good portion of South Florida, with tropical storm watches extending as far north as Sarasota and Bradenton. The convective outlook for today, we've got a marginal risk of severe storms across South Florida in association with Ada. There could be an isolated tornado or two with that. And speaking of Ada, here's the satellite view at midday. This is a rather disorganized system right now as it hugs the northern coast of Cuba, but it is expected to become better organized once it moves across the Florida Strait over the Keys and out into the Gulf of Mexico. The National Hurricane Center actually brings this back up to minimal hurricane strength. But the waters here over the Gulf of Mexico are increasingly cooler now this time of year, especially once you start to head northward. So this is likely to start to fall apart again, becoming a tropical storm once more and positioned somewhere just to the southwest of Tampa Bay by late in the week. Still, you don't want to take this lightly. This will produce plenty of rain and some wind across Florida and just be kind of a nightmare for forecasters there for the upcoming week. Now, as we bring it back closer to home, the precipitation outlook valid through next Sunday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts here in Phoenix, generally not a whole lot, under 1/4 of an inch. Many spots probably just see a few hundredths. But we'll get into modeling, see what's going on. Here we go, the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. There's our second piece to the trough, diving into the southwest. Some pretty cold air aloft with this feature, although not a whole lot of moisture. So, down at the surface, the mostly sunny sky that we have this morning will give way to mostly cloudy sky by late this afternoon. And we'll start to see some rain showers increasing across the deserts, rain and snow showers for northern Arizona. The snow level around 5,500 to 6,000 feet. Highs here in the valley, generally mid and upper 60s, and it will turn breezy as well. Tonight, mostly cloudy. Some showers should come through the area with the axis of this trough, but they will be rather scattered. I would say the favored upslope areas of the valley up around North Scottsdale, Carefree, Cave Creek, Fountain Hills, they will probably see the most precipitation out of this. And the further west and south you go, the less that you will see. But we'll go with a 50% chance of rain for this evening. Overnight lows generally in the mid-40s to low 50s. And then tomorrow, maybe a few showers around in the morning with partly sunny skies, then will turn mostly sunny by the afternoon. High temperatures rather cool though, upper 50s and low 60s. On Tuesday, we start the day out in the upper 30s in the colder spots, low to mid 40s in the urban core. High temperatures back in the mid 60s or so. Mid and upper 60s with mostly sunny sky on Wednesday. And then for the rest of the week, these weak little waves are going to pass through on Thursday and Friday. Not going to have too much of an implication on our weather. Maybe some high clouds at times, though, so we'll call it partly sunny each day. Highs upper 60s to around 70 or so. Then next weekend, kind of a zonal flow takes over. Temperatures warming up ever so slightly back towards seasonal averages. We're back in the low to mid 70s. And a week from today, this is Sunday, the 15th. zonal flow, and that looks dry and seasonal. And then as we take a look out 10 days, this is Tuesday the 17th, a trough along the west coast, and that could bring about another round of cooler temperatures in here if this verifies. And yes, you will note way down there in the lower right of your screen, the GFS has another tropical system out over the Caribbean. And it is 2020, so why not? But again, this is way out there toward Fantasyland. This is likely to change if this even happens at all. All right, as we look at rainfall off of the GFS ensemble through the period, the ensemble mean around 1/4 of an inch or so. Most of the members are trying to bring in at least something for today and tonight. We will see. And temperatures off the national blend of models, below average temps for at least much of the upcoming week, and then gradually trending back toward normal, maybe even above average out just beyond a week from now. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. You guys be safe out there. Enjoy this glorious weather and have yourselves a wonderful Sunday.